put your hands under yourself so you hold yourself up.
Here, move that lamb out of the way. She loves tags.
This tab girl. You're gonna have to crawl over there if you want. Put your booty in the air. Okay. There you go. Nope, nope, nope. Here. Do this. Okay, push up. Push up. Good, push up. There you go. Alright, now simultaneously put your bill. Alright, push up. Push up.
Like, Dad, you're being demanding. Oh, bonk.
She just does a face plant. There you go.
There's a big ring in the way of her face. You can't teach a baby to crawl is the lesson of this exercise.
Look.
She has her mouth like right in the center of that ring.
She's trying to bite it.
Chomp! She's like grabbing it and chomping it in midair.
Try to hold yourself up, Miss.
Let's get closer to the action. Okay, let's see a roll. Give us a roll. Oh, it beamed her in the face. Are you happy as a baby can be? Yes. Yeah.